Hi guys, it's Kelsey here. So today I'm just going to be sharing with you how I do my everyday simple glam, and let's just go ahead and jump right into it. So first I like to start out with a primer, of course, and today I'm just using this No More Poreless primer by the brand Touch and Soul. And I mentioned this primer in a first impressions video and I've really been liking it. It's like the perfect primer for the season that we're in now, like end of winter going into spring. I don't know how this will hold up in summer, but I like it as of now. So I'm just going to be mixing two different foundations. I'm mixing my Makeup Forever HD foundation and this Power Fabric by Giorgio Armani. And I like both of them. You guys know I'm obsessed with my Makeup Forever HD, but I've also been liking this Power Fabric. It's basically like the matte version of the Luminous Silk. I like to spread it all over my face, then blend it out with a sponge. I've been doing this a lot more lately. And I used a new sponge this day. I really like this Sonia Kashuk sponge. I had been eyeing it for a while in Target and decided to give it a try. And I really like it. It's really big, so it covers way more of your face. Then I'm just going to cover up my brows with my Kevyn Aucoin Skin Enhancer. And I've been using this for years. This exact jar is the very first one I ever bought. And this stuff lasts such a long time, but I mostly only use it for my brows, so that's probably why it's lasted so long. So next I'm just going to be taking my favorite concealer, which is the Cover FX Power Play Concealer, and I like to mix two different ones. I like to go in first with Deep 3 under my eyes, and then I like to take Deep 2 under my eyes as well as any other place I want to highlight. So this is still number one for me as far as concealers. I like a lot of other ones that I've been trying, but nothing seems to beat this one in my book, so I love this concealer. So after I've blended out my concealer, I like to go in and set it. I'm just using my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I ran out of the darker one that I've really been liking, but I'm going to get the big one when the sale comes back around. So I really do like that one better, but I still like the original. So next I'm just going to bronze up my face a little bit with this KKW Beauty Powder Contour Palette. And this is in the darkest shade, I think. And I like to use this Hourglass double-sided brush. And I like to apply it with the smaller side, and then I like to blend the color out with the fatter side just so that there's no like harsh lines or anything. So I prefer this brush over the brush that her palette came with, even though I like that brush too, but this one I like a lot better. And now I'm just going to apply some highlighter from my Anastasia Beverly Hills Sun Dip palette, and I take bronze, the darkest color in the palette, which is one of my favorite highlighters ever. It's so soft and perfect for darker skin tones, so I'm still obsessed with this color for highlighting. And I'm just applying that to the normal places that I usually do, cheekbones, nose, and I'm also going to hit my inner tear ducts really quickly. This is like my favorite thing to do for any quick everyday look. It just makes your eyes look brighter and more awake. And for eyeshadow, I'm just using one color from the Juvia's The Warrior palette, and I used this in my last makeup look, and I love this palette. I'm taking the color Kano all over my lid, and I'm also going to be dragging it in my crease as well. I'm dancing. I was listening to music obviously because I was kind of sleepy when I was filming this, so I had to, listen to some music to wake my ass up. Also make sure you drag the exact same color along your lower lash line. It just makes the look more sultry, and it just completes the look. And now I'm just popping on some lashes. I think these are the Ardell 113 Glamour lashes. I had a ton of like old lashes that I had already used sitting on my vanity, and these are the ones I grabbed, but I know they're Ardell. And I'm just popping on some mascara. This is the Gigi Hadid Fiber Mascara. I like this mascara, but not in love with it. But I do like it. And now I'm just going to be lining my lips with True Brown K by Kylie Cosmetics. And you guys know I always have to start out with any brown lip pencil. I just feel like it's just perfect for my skin tone. So after I do that, I'm just going to apply my liquid lipstick. This is a newer liquid lipstick that I've tried and I've become obsessed with. This is the L'Oreal Rouge Signature Liquid Lipstick in the color 428 Explore. It's so pretty. It's like the perfect peachy nude. And I just love this liquid lipstick. It's very like watery and lightweight and it's not drying. So if you haven't tried these yet, you might want to go ahead and get your hands on them because they're bomb. And still to this day, I still get a ton of questions on what I do with my hair after it gets dirty and I stop wrapping it, like when I'm not wearing it like pin straight. I honestly just put some like oil or leave-in conditioner in it and wear it in a bun when I sleep and just take it down the next day and just go with the messy look because I don't know what else to do with it. So yeah, that pretty much completes this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I will see you guys in the next one.